Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius Sun Moon Venus rising from 21st till the 27th of April. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the best healing modality of the whole universe. Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. Want to start your self-love journey but don't know from where to start? You can definitely start by purchasing the 30 days self-love challenge course. It's live now. It will definitely help you to become the best version of yourself and raise your vibrations permanently if done correctly. That will help you to manifest your dream life very soon. Okay, let's see. Aquarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have. Five of Cups. There's a sense of disappointment here in the situation. This is someone who is very disappointed by the way things are going, and they are a little bit sad about it. Disappointed and sad. Let's clarify the Five of Cups as their feelings for you for the situation. We have the Hermit, the Seven of Swords, and the Five of Cups. This is someone who is pretending to be okay, but down the line, this person is feeling sad, depressed, and hopeless in the situation that whatever happened, they can't change it, but they're pretending to be completely fine. They're pretending to be very mature about it. They're feeling like, okay, whatever happened, happened. This is life, shit happens, and we move on. But they are deeply affected by this. They're pretending to be okay, but very affected by whatever is happening or whatever happened. There's a sense of deceptiveness in their own energies where they're continuously trying to lie to themselves that they're okay, they don't care, but they do very deeply. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? The Moon card. You feel like there's a sense of confusion, there's a sense of secretive energies, there's a sense of unknown fears. There's a sense of hidden truth, everything hidden. Nothing is clear between you and this particular person or energy, or you are confused as hell about your own emotions, about your own energies. Let's clarify the Moon here. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Temperance, and the Emperor. You're trying to balance it out within yourself. You're trying to be very patient within the whole dynamics within this whole situation, and you're feeling like you should take the charge of in your take the charge of your life in your own hands, and you should not let others like dictate you or tell you what to do and what not to do. So you are scared, and there are a lot of things that's hidden from you also about yourself, but you're trying to make it look calm and cool and everything is fine. It's not easy. You're trying to make it look easy for everything and everyone around you. There's a sense of confusion, there's a sense of feeling lost, and there's a sense of secretive energies, but you're feeling like you should make it look like everything is good. Basically, both of you are projecting the same kind of energies, by the way, a little bit with a little bit of difference in approach. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Seven of Pentacles. Their intention is to just wait and watch and hope for the best to come. Hope for the best outcome. Okay. Let me clarify the Seven of Pentacles. They're one of those people who is like, okay, with time everything is going to be fine, and this is also going to unfold the way it should. I should just wait and watch. Okay. We have the Seven of Cups, the Eight of Cups, and the Four of Wands. Yeah, they are waiting and watching. They are waiting and hoping for the time when the confusion is going to be over, when they will be able to let go and move on from the situation or walk away from the situation completely. That's not good for them. That's not leading to commitment. That's not leading to the higher level of commitment or energy that they want in their life. Basically, they are waiting for the time when they will be completely over the confusion or confusions that they have that they have in their life, and heading towards commitment, marriage, long-term partnership, and stable connection. Okay, stable partnership. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Aquarius. Ace of Wands. You just want to listen to your intuition, and you definitely want to have a brand new beginning in this situation. Not maybe with the same person, but you definitely want to have a brand new beginning in this area of your life, and you want to do it with your intuition, with the like remaining connected to your intuition, and having this brand new beginning. Let me clarify the Ace of Wands. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, the Sun card. Yes, you want to like you want to decide whether you want to remain single, or you want to get mingled, or you want to have something else, you want to do something else in your life. All you want is to be happy in your life. All you want is to start a brand new chapter in your life, okay, with or without a partner. But you want to decide whether you want a partner, or you want to remain single and focused on yourself, or you want a partner and then you want to remain independent, even if you have a partner. So you want to decide for yourself what is best for you, so what is going to bring you a lot of happiness, and then you want to move forward accordingly, according to the plan, according to what your intuition, what your heart and soul is going to tell you, in order to get the kind of happiness that you want in your life. That is what you want to do. Very good. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 27th of April. We have the Five of Swords. Okay, it's going to be a little bit stressful kind of energy, where a lot of overthinking is going to be at play, and a lot of stressful energies of what should I do, what should I do, what should I do kind of deal. Let's clarify the Five of Swords here as the potential outcome for you guys. We have the King of Swords, the Ten of Wands, and the Page of Pentacles. It's like it's going to stress the hell out of you, and you're going to be like, okay, let's drop it, let's do something about it. So I do see you initiating something in a particular direction, but that's going to be just the first step towards a brand new beginning in a particular situation, maybe, or in a totally new direction. I really don't have any idea, but this whole situation of what's going on is going to stress the hell out of yourself, you, to the level of you dropping this energy of, oh my god, this is too much for me to handle, let's drop it, let's start a brand new beginning, let's start a brand new life from tomorrow itself, maybe from right now itself. I don't know where you are going, I don't know where you're heading, but you're definitely going to be, fuck it, it's enough, I have to move in that direction as soon as possible, and I'm going to do that no matter what. Okay, cool. For you, the guidance is the Six of Pentacles. Wherever you are going, wherever you are choosing to go, try to have that inner balance, that inner peace within yourself. Okay, try to understand that you are doing it for, for your own sake, for your own happiness, and you're balanced, your heart and soul is aligned in that direction. You're not doing it just for the sake of avoiding something, or you're not doing it just for the sake of doing something, or having, something or someone by your side just for the timing. Because if it is not aligned with your path, if it is not aligned with your heart and soul, even if you're going to do something in a direction, it's not going to give you good results. At the end of the day, it's going to bother you only. So if something is feeling imbalanced, something is feeling not aligned with your path, it's not your path, even if you think so. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.